Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Michelle from the Age Graceful channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're not following me, stop right now and hit that follow button. Also, hit the notifications button at the top, that little bell. Hit the top one that says all. That way you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. Okay, let's get into what's going on this month with Beauty Over 40. This month, the ladies are doing Palm Sunday makeup looks. We'll all be using a green eyeshadow. Unfortunately, we will not be seeing V from Makeup Without Limitations, formerly Simply You Makeup. She's taking this month off, but still go over to her page and support anything that she has been doing lately, as well as watching all the other ladies' videos, commenting and liking them. Again, we're doing Palm Sunday looks. I just want to give you a brief summarization of what Palm Sunday is. Palm Sunday is the transition into Holy Week. Palm Sunday serves as the gateway to Holy Week, a period of intense reflection on the final days of Jesus' life, his suffering, death, and ultimately his resurrection on Easter Sunday. The joyous celebration of Palm Sunday stands in stark contrast to the solemnity and sorrow that characterize the days that follow. The symbolism of the palm branches, and that's what a lot of people want to know. Why do they hand out palm branches on Palm Sunday? Here are some of the top reasons. Palm branches themselves have a symbolic meaning. The first is victory and triumph. In ancient times, palm branches were used to celebrate victories and royal processions. They also symbolize peace. They also symbolize eternal life. Those are the reasons that we receive the palm branch on Palm Sunday. I hope that everyone has a beautiful Holy Week, Palm Sunday, and Resurrection Sunday. We're going to take a peek at the ladies' inspiration clips, and then we'll get started with my look. Again, thank you for choosing my channel to watch today. I appreciate you. Let's get started with the clips. Okay, everyone, this is the palette that I have selected today. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection. This is the Pro Pigment palette, volume number 2. Beautiful metal palette. It's nice and heavy and durable. Unlike, your cardboard palettes, I really appreciate what they did in terms of putting this palette together. I am going to show you the shades, but I'm going to flip it upside down just so that you can see the shades, because there's a huge mirror on the opposite side, so they're actually upside down right now, but these are all the shades, and you can see there's a fair amount of green colored shades that I can select from. This is a 25 pan palette. The first row is the A row, then you have B, C, D, and E, and there are 5 shades on each row. So let's get started. Okay guys, before I get started with my makeup look, a quick announcement. Manuela from Makeup Therapy channel also will not be participating in this month's collab. Manuela, we will miss you. Can't wait to see you next month. To begin my look, I've selected this matte shade. This is number A2 from the palette, and it's a bright neon yellow. I'm going to apply this on the space above the crease and below the eyebrow area. I apologize, I was unable to attach an arrow pointing to the color, but you can see the second color on the top row. This very bright yellow is what I'm using. Here in this clip, I'm building up both the outer and the inner third. Now I'm applying a second matte shade. This is number A3, and I'm going to add this to the center of the eyelid. I want to work a little slowly applying this shade because I just want it right in the center. I want the bright neon yellow to be intensified, as well as map out both of these shades onto my skin as closely as I can. So in other words, I want the green portions to be even, as well as the neon yellow portions to be even. Lastly, I'm going to use the large fluffy brush that I used to apply the yellow shade, and I'm going to go over the top in my crease area, and I'm going to blend both of the shades so that there's a seamless effect. Well, overall, I blended a little bit too heavily, so I'm going back and adding a little bit more of the A2, this bright neon yellow, to my inner third. Okay, everyone, my foundation is on. For my primer, I used the e.l.f. Power Grip primer. This is a gel primer. I really like this. It's pore reducing if you have larger pores. I just like the smoothness that it gives to my skin. For my foundation, I used the Il Makiage, and let me see which one this is. I have a couple of them. This is the Woke Up Like This in shade number 175. So this is the lighter version. The other one that I use is the After Party, and they both are full coverage, but this is a lighter full coverage, perfect for Palm Sunday morning going to church. For my concealer, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in shade number 14. My eyelashes, I do not know the name of them. My wig maker, when she sends me wigs, she just throws in a lot of things, and she threw in these lashes, which are really natural looking. I like them a whole lot. I'm gonna contact her and see if she can send me some more. I'm gonna be putting her information somewhere in this video, so if you're interested in getting a custom-made wig, she can definitely hook you up. I have two. I have this sort of brownish red one, and then I have a natural black one, which I actually wanted like more of just a natural, but it was a little bit of miscommunication with that. But it's okay. It's a pretty wig. It's kind of layered. I might wear that one in my next video. So on to my lips. I'm gonna be using a liquid lip by LA Colors. What was this color again? Hold on one second, let me get my glasses. Eclipse. As soon as I went to look for it, I remembered. But the color is Eclipse in Liquid Lip, and then I'm gonna top it with a MAC lip gloss in the shade Oyster. So let's get that on. Let me get my mirror open. Oh, and my setting spray. I used the MAC. This is the prime and set. So you can use it before applying your foundation as well as afterwards. I really love the Morphe setting spray. Out of all the setting sprays that I've ever used, I like that Morphe one the best. Okay, and you can see my eyes up close. I'm going to apologize for my lighting. Since we have moved, I'm having the hardest time to get my lighting correct. I don't know what I'm gonna have to do, but my production assistant, Mr. G, is gonna have to help me with the lighting. I just can't get it like I want to. So let's get this lip on. Again, this shade is Eclipse. And I kind of blow on it a little bit to kind of dry it down before I apply the topper that I'm going to use, which is the MAC Lip Gloss in Oyster. I believe that I've had this ever since the wedding, so a few more uses out of it. I don't use it that often, but it's nice and light. And this will give my lip a little shine. And that's it, guys. LA Colors Eclipse Liquid Lip, topped with a MAC lip gloss in the shade of Oyster. Again, my eyes. The shades that I used, the kind of yellow green was on the top row. That's shade number A2. And then in the center of my lid, I used B3. And I'll show them to you here and here. Those were the two shades that I used. Beautiful, brightly colored palette. It has just about every color in the crayon box, I would say. That's what it reminds me of, the colors in the crayon box. Like if you get the 24 pack, even though this is 25 shades, everything is here. No, there is a black. I was gonna say there isn't a black, but there is. At least I believe it's black, or is it dark plum? Let me swatch it right quick. No, it is black. So it has all the bright colors with a black. So you can't beat that in a palette. So, do I look like Palm Sunday? Easter's on its way. I hope so. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed having you. Again, please don't forget to go over to all the other ladies' channels to support them. Watch their videos in full. Like their videos and leave a comment. We don't know that you're there or that you visited if you don't leave a comment. All right, you guys, take care. It was good seeing you. Happy Palm Sunday. See you next time. Bye-bye now.